Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. We are inching towards the end when the NEET exam 2021 is appearing. There are 19 subjects, last 3-year papers, hope. But you know, what will make you achieve and do at the end? The word that will make all the difference is confidence. If you look at the throw that won us the gold medal in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics, the throw had 3 things: the science, the angle at which it was thrown, the direction, and the passion to do it. And if you closely watch, he didn't even look back where the javelin went. What did I learn from Neeraj Chopra's throw? The Neeraj Chopra's throw. That confidence has to be very optimum. You can't be underconfident to achieve it. You can't be overconfident because that is suicidal. I will talk about it later. But your confidence should have a strong foothold of few things during these days. Number 1, you have to have the passion of believing that you will do it. Do it your way, give your best. Because आत्मविश्वास से बड़ी कोई शक्ति न थी न होगी. For that, you have to practice entrance exams, the questions and the repeated topics. Keep doing it again and again. And this practice has to be very, very channelized in the right direction with the source that you have trusted throughout the year. Don't change anything. And third, take it day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. Have that mindset which is very level-headed. And then obviously, tell yourself you will do it. And then again tell yourself, if not, then who will do it? It is so crucial, as spoken by Pablo Picasso. You must practice like a pro and perform like an artist. This is the time, practice your questions and then learn the art which you will do during those hours of NEET exam. Friends, this time is extremely crucial. It is like the finish of a 100-meter sprint. The whole marathon boils down for those few seconds. And remember, the difference is finally, boom, even this much. And the difference is finally decided by the confidence and the self-belief. Friends, Never lose hope. But don't be overconfident. If there are people who have done okay in INICET and they don't take this time very seriously and they believe they are ahead of everybody, then just wait. There is an Usain Bolt on your shoulder waiting to brush you and cross you. So, friends, do not get overconfident. If any of your result has been good, you still start the race from zero. And it's anybody's game. It's everybody's race. And the one who will be victorious by this much will be the one who has passion, the right directional practice, and does not give up. Thank you very much.